Good morning, friends. I am Rajinder Jatana on this side. Today I have come up with permutations based on restrictions, that is, conditions are there. So I will simply take one example, and it is loaded with few conditions, and you will find that they are very, very easy. So I'll now come up with my notes. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hello, friends. I'm coming up with my notes. Learn with fun. Here is the teacher. And we are today going to discuss restricted permutations. Now, look here what the teacher is saying. I'll take up one example with 7 conditions. Okay, sir, Alka tells. Sir, कितने example? One example. Good. मजा आ जाएगा. So these are the reactions of the students. So we'll be starting right now. Look here. This is one example only. The question is like this. Find the number of words which can be made from the letters of the word intermediate under following conditions. Now, conditions are starting. The first condition is without any restriction. Now, we have to make the number of words. In intermediate, the total number of letters are 12. Look here. I, N, T, E, R, M, E, D, I, A, T, E. These are 12. Now, it says there is no restriction. It means we have to arrange the 12 letters, which can be done in 12 factorial ways. But there are repetitions. Look here, these are repetitions. 3 E are there, 2 I are there, 2 T are there. 3, 2, 2. So repeaters have to be written in the denominator. And here E is 3 times, 3 factorial, I is 2 times, T is 2 times. So this is the method of repeaters. We have to write the repeaters in the denominator with factorials. So this answer comes. Now let us go to the second condition. The word starts with I and ends with E. Look here, this starts with I, ends with E. So there were 12 letters. Now these 2 are fixed. Now these 10 have to be arranged. These 10 balance letters, they will be arranged. So number of words, the total number of arrangements of the word is. Now look here, all these have been written in alphabetically. So these are the 10 factorial. In this 10 factorial, 10 letters, because 2 have been fixed, out of the 10. So one I is used, one E has been used. So there were 3 E's, so 2 will be left. There were 2 I's, 1 will be left. T are already there, T are 2. So 10 factorial divided by 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Now let us go further. Next condition is the words in which vowels occur at even places. Now these are the vowels present in the word intermediate, 6 vowels are there. So this is first is odd place, even place, odd place, even place, odd place, even place, like this. So at even places, I have marked with red. This is second, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. These are 6. So these will be arranged 6 factorial. There are 3 E's there, 2 I's are there, 1 A is there. So the 6 factorial, 1 factorial is 1 only, no need to write. 3 factorial, 2 factorial. 3 I's are there, 3 E's are there, 2 I's are there. And in the remaining, 2 T are there. It is having 2 T. Look here. These are the remaining ones, consonants. 2 T are there. So 6 factorial over 2 factorial. If here factorial has to be written. So this comes 21600. Now, vowels and consonants occupied at their original places. Now, this is intermediate. These are the vowels. They are at their original places. They are 6. They can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. There are 3 E's, 2 I's, and 1 A is there. So, and in the remaining, 2 T are there. So, these are 2 T. And 6 factorial divided by 2. 2 factorial, this comes out 21600. Let us go further. Next condition is vowels and consonants occur alternatively. Now look here, vowels can occur at even places and consonants can occur at odd places and vice versa. So why if in vice versa means double the cases will be there multiplied with 2. So this we have already done, multiply with 2, so it becomes 43200. Next is all the vowels together. Now there are 6 vowels and just make one bundle out of them. 6 consonants are there. 6 and 1, 7. So 7 factorial. Now whenever we will be using the vowel, it will be one bundle only. So 7 factorials, this 6 and this one bundle, 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 T's are there. And in the case of this, these are 6 factorial, there are 3 E's, 3 factorial, 2 I's are there, 2 I's are there. So we have to write it like this. Repeaters are there, 2 T's are also there. So this will be done like this. Now, all the E's together. Now, this is all the E's have been made into one bundle. So these are the remaining ones. These are 3 plus 9, 12 are there. So this has become one bundle, 9 and 1, 10. This is 10 factorial. It is having 2 I's, 2 T's, 2 I's and 2 T's. So this can be arranged like this. So this was all on restricted permutations. I hope you might have understood. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe it. It will motivate me. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good day.